Sound check, everybody. Give me a second. Is it working? Give me a second. We have date, move, and date. Paolo was right. Paolo was too. Alright, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, and this is the technical crypto and forex trading course 101. Happy Monday. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill. You are going to become a millionaire trader in 3 years if you are going to listen to me in an institutional way. Alright, everybody. As always, if you want the little book of trading secrets, please visit www.fxbossfx.com. It's for free. If you want to receive the manual, right? Professional Forex Trading Course, Manual Forex Course 101, the market phase. There you go. Send me an email, alright? Send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. And never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place. We are working on number two during the Forex trading week. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the chart and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice, everybody, especially during the Forex trading week, where our purpose is to implement what we have learned so far. Alright, so you should use technical market structure, highs and lows, market behaviors, market structure trends, trend lines, and lastly support, resistance, pivot point, you know, to make some good trades, right? You know, it's not over. We are in between the course. Okay, everybody? But anyway, on Friday, everybody, on Friday we are going to Forex Trading Week, right? The student with the best result will be awarded to participate in one lesson in the Advanced Institutional Trader Program. It's going to be a group call, all right? Okay, everybody, it's going to be on Saturday. I can tell you this. Hello, Alexander, how are you? And that being said, Alexander, did you receive the ebook and the manual? That being said, everybody, remember I have two platforms. One is YouTube, so first comes first is served, right? Okay, everybody, let's start. Type in the chat the currency pair, the time frame, the pattern. Okay, first comes first is served. Ask questions if you want to, sure. And on Friday we're going to see who had the best result, right? Okay. Alexander says on YouTube, yes, thank you very much. So everybody, this is the process, the procedure. All right, first comes first is served. Please send into the chat the next informations. What asset do you want to trade, Forex or crypto? What time frame? Do you want to buy or sell? What pattern are you trading? And where is the stop loss and where is the take profit? We need to see the numbers, all right? You can ask any currency pair. You can ask gold too, not a problem. So far, Mowitz in a negative position. Date is one position, it's making money, GBP USD, and USD CAD, it's in a losing position. I have not received the manual. Date, please send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com, please. Alright. Okay, everybody, Mo and date. Let's talk about trade management. Do you want to stay in the positions or do you want to get out? There is no right or wrong. In the meantime, type in the chat, everybody, the currency pair or the crypto or gold, whatever you want to trade, alright? There is no right or wrong. Hedge fund trader Mo, if you are here, do you want to stay in the trade? If you want to close it? Alright, do you want to move the stop? Do you want to move the take profit? Okay, everybody, but the best student, the student with the best result, will be awarded to participate in one lesson in the Advanced Institutional Trader Program. Okay, give me a second, we are here. Alexander, I'm out. I don't have you, Alexander, here in the chat. I don't have any of your positions. Everybody, first comes first served. Do you want to trade Euro JPY, USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY, AUD USD, GBP JPY, NZD CAD? Remember, everybody, the purpose of the Forex Trading Week is to implement what we have learned in the module called Support, Resistance, Pivot Points. Alright, and then on Friday we're going to move to trading Japanese candlesticks. Alright, the sign language of the market. Okay, this is all in the manual. Alright. The first lesson is going to be the anatomy of the candle. Alexander is first. AUD JPY long. Alright. Let's open AUD JPY. Alexander, what time frame? What pattern, please? Everybody, you can help me out, not to waste too much time. Alright, so it's a buy. What pattern, what time frame? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Oh, my stop loss triggered. Going long, my stop loss triggered. Alright. AUD JPY daily chart, everybody. Give me a second. Alright. 1 hour market wave. Alexander, do you remember the conversation between me and you? Everybody? Do you remember? No, I'm not arrogant. This is common sense. This is pure logic. Alright, and I believe the stop loss was too tight, right? My opinion. I don't know. My opinion. But also this market, but the market go long. Well, it depends what we're talking about, right? So everybody who remembers Forex course 101, lesson number 1, technical market structure, who remembers what the Forex market in a simplistic way it's all about? Who remembers? There is no right or wrong. Swing trader is going to enter differently compared to a day trader or an intraday trader, but the direction. Everybody, Forex course 101, first lesson. Most of the yen pairs. Where are most of the yen pairs? Guess what institutional traders are doing right now? Some investment bank or hedge fund is doing right now up in here. Guess how those guys are positioned? Alright. Everybody, the Forex Trading Week is for us to trade, alright? I cannot give you a class right now. I mean, I can, but it's a waste of time. I really read the lesson, but it doesn't help me. Everybody, multiple time frames. You need to understand multiple time frames, right? Okay, everybody, you must understand that the higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame. Okay, so one more time, everybody. Did the market made a lower low on the monthly? At the monthly band, did the market made a lower low? Not a low, really. It's but on the weekly it is, right? You don't have a second candle on the left in here, all right? But on the weekly it is. So the market made a lower low, and if this is the first down extension leg, all right, everybody, then this market is predictable to a degree, okay? So there is a 70% chance that 7 times out of 10 this market is going to retrace to a level of past resistance, and then it's going to fall. Make sense, everybody? This is the whole logic. And in between, it depends if you are a day trader or an intraday trader trading on the 15-minute chart, or if you are a swing trader on the 4-hour chart. This is what is predictable to all analysts. You're not a trader yet, and in between you are trying to take advantage of the market. Make sense? So if the market, if this is the first down extension leg, it's predictable that the market is going to retrace higher highs, higher lows. Alexander and everybody else, is the market making higher highs, higher lows? Until it's going to stop the retracement and fall down 7 times out of 10, all right? It's still a probability game. The market didn't respect CHF JPY back in time, all right? Okay, everybody, what do you want to trade? Type in the chat the currency pair, the time frame. If not, I'm going with the other stream platform. Remember, you're going to have one lesson for free. So far, Date has the best result. Okay, so far, Date it's up $3. We're not wasting time calculating the lots, the volume. We're just going to enter 0.01, everybody. So if this would be Friday, you know, Date would still win. It would have made more money than Mo. Okay, everybody, you cannot win if you are not trading. So type in the chat, everybody, what do you want to trade? Okay, there is no right or wrong, don't worry, there is no right or wrong. Okay, you can buy, you can sell, not a problem. Any currency pair, any time frame, first comes, first is served. Yes, we have the index course. Okay, we are running the system course, everybody. Somebody's asking. Not to waste too much time, not to waste too much time, not to waste too much time. Workshop next, this Saturday. This Saturday, everybody, we have a workshop how to build a trading system that makes money, not a strategy. We're going to build a system, right? Indicators and such, guaranteed. If you're going to do what I'm telling you to do, it's going to make money, but you must do the work, not to invent hot water. All right, 90% of systems are incomplete. Okay, the cost is $500, but Dukascopy students, you have 30% off. All right, now enough of this, not to waste time. Hedge fund trader Date, what do you want to? GBP CHF. GBP, Alexander, do you want to go long? Do you want to go short? GBP CHF, everybody. First comes, first is served. Hedge fund trader Mo, do you want to buy or sell GBP CHF? Hedge fund trader Alexander, do you want to buy or sell GBP CHF? Hedge fund trader Date, do you want to buy or sell GBP CHF? On what time frame? What pattern? So, and again, Fibonacci is out, we didn't learn yet. Fibonacci's are out the Fibonacci's. Alright, Fibonacci's, this is the daily chart out, the Fibonacci's out. Right? Everybody, do you have your chart set up and ready for trading? Are you charting? You know, you have pivot points on the chart, right? You have the consolidation on the chart, maybe, just maybe, right? Okay. Short, all right. What time frame? What time frame are we going to short? You can change opinions, not a problem. Everybody, Alexander is going to short, me I'm going to buy. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, everybody. I'm going to buy consolidation. All right. No, I'm not going to partake. I'm joking. I'm not going to trade. It wouldn't be fair, right? So Alexander is going to short the daily chart, all right? Type in the chat what pattern, Alexander. Type in the chat where is the take profit, the stop loss. In the meantime, I'm going to short the daily chart. So, and units, thousands, we're going to go lots, okay? Show conditions, we're going to sell the market, sell market, and in the meantime, Alexander, if you would be so kind, what pattern are you shorting on the daily? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Are you sure you want to trade the daily? Are you sure you want to short the daily chart? I think so, but I'm not sure. Everybody, you must find a pattern, make sense? You know? You must find a pattern. What are you shorting? Alright? If you see the market making higher highs, higher lows, then it would make sense to buy, right? If you see the market at past resistance, like in here, and you want to take advantage of a retracement on this green uptrend, you can sell, you can short. Does this make, there is no right or wrong. Okay, everybody? Alexander is seeing a channel, most likely, give me a second, channel lines. So, help me out, Alexander, maybe you are seeing this one. Well, still it doesn't make sense to me anyway, but are you seeing this channel? I'm seeing an up channel, you know, or maybe Alexander is seeing a down channel, so down channel, where is the down channel? Maybe like this? Maybe, I'm not sure. What are you looking at? So Alexander is sure, everybody. Help me out. What do you think? Is Alexander shorting the market? Is this a good trade, more or less trade? Stop loss 1.17. Submit sell. What about take profit? Everybody, there is no right or wrong, right? There is no right or wrong, but why not? Because it's a game of probabilities. Would you say, everybody, that Alexander entered with the good timing, bad timing, wrong timing? Up the line. 116 down line 1. Alright. So consolidations are areas, everybody. Don't forget this. Alright. Consolidations, channels are areas. Okay. Are not lying to the pip. And by the way, I've showed you a simple strategy how to trade channels. Okay, Alexander, I need the take profit too. If you want, you can leave it without the take profit. Everybody, just to be clear, right? If you're entering the daily chart and on Friday the chart is like this, so you didn't lose on a trade, we're going to take the floating profit or loss, okay? To determine who is a winner on Friday, we are going to together during class, we're going to use the floating profit or loss. Okay, and I'm going to ask all of you, do we agree that this guy or that girl has the best result? And if everybody agrees, so this is going to be the award, right? We are using in consideration closed, but also floating. So this is Alexander. So add comment. Alexander, give me a second. Alexander Ketsko, I hope I pronounce your name correctly. Okay, so daily short. Okay, take profit at take profit is going to be at 1.085. all right, everybody, thank you very much. Next, anybody else want to trade GBP CHF? Alexander, what about you? Do you think that you've entered with the correct timing, more or less timing, wrong timing, shorting the market in between the channel? Everybody, right? This is the channel and you are shorting. Not saying right or wrong. So if the market is in here, so this is the channel, right? Confirm. The market is in here and I'm shorting it, everybody. And remember, Forex Course 101 knowledge, every consolidation eventually is going to end. So if I'm shorting the market in here, am I speculating? Meaning, I think what the market is going to do. That says wrong timing. Not right or wrong, this is a skill. Do you want to trade GBP CHF? Everybody? Anybody else want to go with GBP CHF? You can change time frames, not a problem. If not, type in the chat, everybody, the next currency pair. So this is GBP CHF on the 4-hour chart. Give me a second. Market wave, extension, retracement, extension. All right. I cannot tell you what to do. Everybody, Forex trading week. Is any surprise to you that the market hit past support and now is going to get up 7 times out of 10? Can you do this? Can you think like this? Oh, but the market's making lower lows, lower highs. Not every high and low is relevant. Plus, higher time frames controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame. You can buy the market and you can put the stop loss down in here and you are risky, or you can buy the market and you put the stop loss down in here and you are less risky in terms of the market hitting your stop. Everybody, can you do this? It's not that difficult. Come on, J Forex. Everybody, on Friday you have non-farm payroll. How are you going to trade NZD USD? If there are no requests, NZD USD, everybody. How are you going to make pips and money out of NZD USD? First comes, first is served. Alexander was first. GBP CHF. On Friday we have non-farm payroll, the most important news event that can disrupt 4-hour charts, 1-hour charts, daily not. Everybody, how are you going to trade? What do you see? This is the market right now. Do you have your charts, everybody? So you have support, resistance, pivot points. We have channel again, consolidation here, and we have consolidation here. Those are areas. Anything can happen, everybody. And Heraldo is going to be happy. We have the elemental bat here. We have the elemental pattern. Whoops. ABCD. Where is the ABCD? ABCD. Oh, X. X, ABCD. There you go. We have the elemental bat, the elemental pattern here. There you go. Come on. Black. All right. If you believe this, what there is no, there is no right or wrong. Come on. You know. I think we're in a channel. Yes, we are. How are you going to make pips and money, everybody? And be careful, because on Friday the market news event can do anything it wants, right? So we're going to talk about this on Thursday if you want to close the trade. Everybody, how are you going to make money out of NZD USD? How are you going to make money out of AUD USD? From what we have learned, support, resistance, pivot points, multiple time frame trading. Any other currency pair, everybody, you want to trade? If this will be today, date on YouTube, so right now, oh, Mo is getting strong. Mo's position and date, I'm sorry, right, if this would be right now, Mo, it's making more money than you. Can you see here? You have one position with 4.222, it's floating, but the negative is 2, it's almost 3, but Mo it's making 2.30, it's floating too. Okay, so Mo it's winning so far, everybody. My mind says short. Alright, what pattern do you want to short? NZD USD. What pattern? Everybody try to correct timing, alright? Module number 2. Timing and retracement trading. Most of you have issues when you come into the advanced course. Okay? You have issue with your weekly plans because you don't consider extension, retracement extension. Okay? You need to understand and learn timing. Okay? NZD short, alright? Is now the right time to go short on NZD USD daily chart, everybody? Yes or no? So we have a pattern, yes. But is now the right time to short this channel? What's the answer? Boss, I don't understand. In the beginning, you can clearly identify a pattern. You can clearly and correctly identify direction, but you are going to still lose because you are weak on timing. Make sense? Especially if you put the stop loss in the wrong place or you want a short stop. So you identified correctly a pattern, check. Based on the pattern, you correctly identified the direction, check. But you are still going to lose most of the time because of the wrong timing. Does this make sense to you, everybody? You cannot trade like this. Professional trader would never do this. Make sense? How do you know? We don't know. The difference between you, everybody, and a professional trader is that the professional trader is going to wait for convergences. Make sense? He or she is going to wait for the market to give him some indication. What indication? Bulls, bear points. So if I want to short the market, what are the tools? Trend line break, bearish candlestick formation at past resistance, short-term trend on the smaller time frame, crown on the smaller time frame, and there you go. In the future, maybe some indicator, you know. There is no right or wrong. And the same professional trader would not short the market without any indications. Guess why not? Guess why not? If you enter prematurely, Yanis, the boss, is going to call you in the office and is going to say, Alexander, why did you short the market there? And Alexander is going to say, oh, because we are in consolidation. And the boss is going to say, so what? How did you know that now it's the time to enter? And Alexander is going to be there like, oh my gosh. And Yanis is going to say, first warning, next time you are fired. You are fired, everybody, as an institutional trader. You're an employee. You are on a payroll. All right? This is a retail trader issue. Entering the market prematurely. It's a retail trader issue. Institutional traders have an easy life. You know why? Because they lower the head and they obey the rules. Retail traders, we are the boss, right? We are the boss. If the stop loss is above the most recent lower high, then I'm not sure what you mean. Alright, everybody, now let me give you an easy one. Euro GBP. Euro GBP, it's a no-brainer. Euro GBP. By the way, all the yen pairs are easy. Even if you're a beginner trader, those pairs are easy for you. The dollar, it's challenging, yes sir. The CHF pairs are easy. Euro GBP. Euro GBP is here. Is now the right time to go long? I told you too much. Everybody who want to trade Euro GBP? Who want to trade Euro GBP? There is no right or wrong. Is anybody here who wants to sell Euro GBP? Is anybody here who wants to buy Euro GBP? Those are easy trades. Come on. True, depending on the time frame. But this is an easy one, right? How many of you lost Everybody, how many of you lost on Euro GBP? How many of you lost on AUD NZD? How many of you lost on USD CHF? And how many of you lost on USD CAD because you are impatient? How many of you lost in here, in between in here, or in here, or in here, or down here, because you are impatient? Those currency pairs, if you are patient, are easy no-brainers. 7, yeah, fair enough, 7 times out of 10. If this is Euro GBP monthly chart, everybody, what do you think is going to happen down in here? 7 times out of 10. Not every single time. Everybody, lower band to upper band, messing up, upper band to lower band to upper band, upper band to lower band to upper band, upper band to lower band. What do you think is going to happen in here? We don't know how, we don't know when. You must monitor the market constantly or put some alarms, you know. Forex has alarms too, you know. It's called the price. Make right click and set price alert. Alright, read, I agree. You know, price alert. You can change it too if you want. Everybody. Boss, can I go long right now? It depends on the pattern. Everybody, let's put theory into practice. Do we agree that the market is in a downtrend on the daily chart? Type in the chat. Do we agree that the market is in a downtrend on the daily chart? So, somebody's asking, can I buy? If you can find on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, not the 15 minutes, it's too small. If you can find on the 1 hour, 2 or 4 hour chart a crown or an uptrend, then you can take advantage of the market retracing up to here. Does this make sense? This would be considered a short-term trade on the daily. Alright? Now, can I buy this market long-term? Not yet. Not yet. Why not? Because the market must break. Exactly, the market must break some patterns on the daily, right? Market wave example, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. If you are a risky trader, like an aggressive trader, then you are going to enter here. Once the market breaks this high, risking 0.25% or risking 0.5%. Don't risk 2%. Somebody else who is less aggressive is going to wait for the market to break this high and then risk 2% or whatever. Alexander is saying, no, most likely the market is going to go up. The first retracement is going to be visible on the smaller time frame. The retail trader issue is, I'm going to see something like this, it's going to come to past resistance, and then it's going to start to mess up, and it's going to go into the no trade zone that you've learned, and then you are going to do some I cannot say stupid things online, but anyway, you know, and then you're going to buy, and you're going to risk 2%, 5%, 10%, you know, in here, because you know this market's going to go up. And then Yanis, the boss, is going to call you. Alexander, come to the office again. Why did you risk? It's not going to be it's not going to be why did you buy? The buy, it's alright. It's going to be the conversation, why did you risk 5%? And Alexander is going to be because the market's going up. And the boss Jan is going to say, sure, but why did you risk 5%? Why did you risk 5%? And Alexander, well, I want to make money. And the boss Jan is going to say, how do you know it's going to go up? And then he's going to tell you, you have one warning on the technical side, you have another warning on the, you have one warning on the risk side. I'm joking, come on, you know, let's have some fun, right? But he's going to say, first warning on the risk side, next time you are next time you are fired. See how this goes, everybody? It's all good, this is how we learn, makes sense, everybody? Institutional traders, we have an easy life. When I'm talking about learning the skill, makes sense? You are an employee, they are going to fire you. Retail, you burn 2 accounts, so what? I'm going to open another one, right? 100, I'm going to throw $100 again, and you know, so what? I'm going to buy prop firms, and I'm going to lose 5 accounts, and I'm going to, so what? I'm going to pay the 6th one, you know. Don't do this, everybody, makes sense? We don't talk a lot, but prove yourself, everybody, prove yourself that you know what you're doing on the demo account 6 months. Alright? This is mine, back in time. See, everybody? You are going to have a losing month, it's alright. But once you got the skill, you're going to be profitable, 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 profitable. Okay, everybody? Prove yourself that you can be profitable at least 6 months. Don't buy prop firm accounts, don't put live money. Alright? Go on vacation with this money, invite your significant other out to dinner. Man or woman, whatever might be the case, don't put real money on the line unless you can prove to yourself, not to me, prove to yourself that you can be consistently profitable. Alright? I did this to show you, everybody, demo account, not live, demo. See here, demo? Back in time was Insta Forex, whatever. You know, I'm not even know if this broker is still alive. Okay, everybody? On the demo account, prove yourself that you know. Okay, otherwise I'm telling you, you are going to lose. You are not emotionally skilled yet. Does this make sense to everybody? How we grow into a trader? You are trading on the demo account first. Don't fall to teachers, talkers, YouTubers. Oh, this is irrelevant because you have no attachment to money, you know, there is no real money. It's bullshit. Don't listen to them. Go on the demo account first and prove yourself that you understand the skill. Alright? Next step, you go on a live account, small money, your money, small money. But this is already in the advanced course. Alright? Small money. And if you do good, if you can prove yourself again, 6 months of profitable trades on small money, not big money, you know, then you go, if you want, you can go your money, more money, or there is another variable that you're going to be emotionally different. You are trading third-party money. It's not even yours. And this is how you go emotionally, you know. I'm not going to ask, do you agree with me? Does this make sense to you? You know, most of retail traders think, oh, it's $100, you are going to lose. Oh, it's $200, you are going to lose. Make sense, everybody? This is common sense. I'm telling my friends, don't put live money on the line unless you have consistent profits. Show to you, not right? Okay, everybody, this is you as an analyst. Make sense? Up in here, profitability, everybody. You won 238 out of 296 trades, which represent 80%. This means that you know what you're doing as an analyst. This has nothing to do with trading yet. This means that you can correctly identify direction. You don't need to be that good. Make sense? But you must be 60% effective. 50%, it's not good to put real money in the line. Does this make sense? And remember, you're going to have losing months too, so what? Alright, everybody? You are first a junior analyst. You can still get fired, by the way, if you do stupid things. Then you are a senior analyst, you know. And Yanis, the boss, is going to check the numbers. January, February, March, you know. And then once you are a good senior analyst for a year or two, then Yanis, the boss, is going to call in the office and is going to say, Alexander, we are going to promote you, Alexander. Alright? And then it's called portfolio manager, or it's called a trader, you know. It depends if you're trading stocks, metals, crypto, whatever may be the case. Alright, everybody, anybody else want to trade any currency pairs or cryptos? So far, Alexander, it's in a losing position. Mo was up, now it's down. Dade was up and down, so all the positions are losing. Dade, do you want to manage any of your trades? You are shorting GBP USD, it's going well. You are shorting USD CAD, it's not going that well. Yes, we are entering the market during class, and then we are also managing the, it's not mandatory, but if you want to manage, where is USD CAD? If you want to manage the trade, you can manage the trade. Javen, do you want to enter any trades? And remember what is at stake. It's not a lot, but you know, you are working hard, right? The student with the best result is going to be awarded to participate in one lesson in the Advanced Institutional Trader Program next Saturday, alright? Next Saturday, if you want. USD CAD, we are, so Dade is shorting the daily chart, right? I believe we had issues with stop loss here too. We had issues with stop loss. Alright. Dade, if the market stops you out, see the picture from the previous lessons? Dade, Yanis is going to call you, the boss Yanis is going to call you. Dade is going to say, I'm not going to tell you I've told you. Market is going to stop you out, and, and then it's going to reverse. Alright? And Yanis is going to ask you, Dade, come to the office, why did you put the stop loss there? Right? First warning. First warning. Alright, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow with another Forex trading week. Trade, trade, trade. You cannot learn without trading, everybody. Trade, makes sense? Decide on a currency pair, decide on the time frame. Find the tradable pattern that's aligned multiple time frames. All right, check the stop loss level, check the take profit. Don't trade against the market. Okay, and on Friday you are going to join. On Friday you are going to join the Advanced Institutional Trader Program. Alright everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, trade like a boss. Never forget, you're the boss of your account. Yanis doesn't care, but he's going to fire you anyway.